How to disable restricted mode on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable restricted mode on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings and privacy, simply scroll down and there you can just tap on the option labeled as content preferences. And now here in this section, just tap on restricted mode. And here, if your restricted mode is turned on, then what you can do is you can just tap on the turn off button, and after that you may have to verify yourself with the pin. And once you do that, the restricted mode will be off on TikTok. And that's it. That's how you can disable restricted mode on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.